welcome to Circletime. Today is Tuesday, June 8th. Tuesday, June 8th, 2021. Alright, let's go ahead and sing our days of the week. Days of the week. Monday, there's Tuesday, and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, Thursday and there's Friday, and Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Good job. What day of the week did we say it was? Tuesday. All right, let's go ahead and work on our pattern. We have sandcastle, sun. Sandcastle, sun. Sandcastle, sun. Sandcastle, sun. What will we have for our pattern tomorrow? Sandcastle for tomorrow. We have no school tomorrow. And we will see you guys back on Thursday.
It's Friday.
Thursday and Friday. You said it was going to be raining today. Is it raining? No, it's not raining. It is sunny outside. Good job. It is supposed to rain later today. Right now it is very sunny outside. Rain's supposed to move in this afternoon and this evening. And then it's supposed to rain Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah.
Like solid rain?
Solid rain Wednesday. And I think showers Thursday, Friday. All right, let's make that prediction for tomorrow. You think it's going to be windy?
And sunny.
Sunny with some wind. I like that. Sunny with some wind. Let's go ahead and say our ABCs. Are we ready? All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Keep going. Excellent job. All right, same thing. We're counting all the way to 15. Nice big boy. Oops. It just popped back. All the way to 15. Nice big voices. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
15. All right. Counting backwards from 8. Who's ready?
Me.
All right. Touch your head if you're ready. Touch your ears if you're ready. Here we go. 8, 7, 6.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh, what's this? 0. Then blast off. Remember, when they're blasting off the rocket, they count down all the way to 0, and then it blasts off. All right, let's work on our colors. What color is my...
What?
It is white. My triangle is white. What color is my school bus?
Red.
Whoa, wait a minute. Red, yellow, orange, purple, green. What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is anger?
Red.
What color are my elephants?
Red.
What color is Celia?
Purple.
Purple. Let's look at our shapes. What color is the star?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color? Oh, I'm sorry. We're doing shapes. The star, yeah. What shape is this?
Diamond.
Rhombus or
Diamond.
diamond? What shape is this?
Heart.
Excellent job. Our nursery rhyme is down by the bay. Where what grows down by the bay?
Watermelon.
Watermelons. Down by the bay where the watermelons grow. We are moving on to the letter G. What letter is it? G. And this is gumball and a gorilla. Gorilla. This is gum. This is all gum. All different kinds of gum. And this is a girl. Remember, it's got to start with that g sound. So, gumball, gorilla, girl, gum. For our letter G. Me too. Go ahead and start singing where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better read my letters or start at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Reach up, way up, top, reach out and touch the top, all the way down, reach down, way down, bottom, reach out and touch the bottom, getting up, 1, 2, 3, 4, top, bottom, shake it in the middle, top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Do you start your letters at the top? Or do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Good job. All right. When we're making our letter G, we start with what? Magic C. Start with our magic C, our big curve. And then we do a little line up. And a little line across. Big curve. Little line up. Little line across. What letter did I make? G. What letter? G. All right, one more time, my turn. Big curve, little line up, little line across. What letter did I make?
E.
Not G. All right, your fingers at the top. And you say, big curve, little line up, little line across. All right, one more time. I want to hear your big voices. All of your big voices. Ready? Big curve, little line up, little line across. Yep. What letter is this? G. Good. And G says g, 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 like gorilla, and girl, ghost. Yep. All right, good job. That is the end of our circle time for today. We will see you on Thursday. We'll only have 2 more days of remote learning left. Thursday and Friday. Have a great